Good day, everyone. We're excited to present our project titled Sales Prediction Using Regression Analysis, a data driven approach to forecasting. I'm Mark Angelo Gonzalez, and me are my team members, Palomares, Lagdaan, Banyaria, and Belen. So, this project aims to solve a real world marketing challenge using data analytics and machine learning. Let's begin by exploring the business problem. So companies invest heavily in advertising to increase sales, but they often face a common problem. They don't know if their spending is actually making a difference. In many cases, the relationship between advertising and sales is not straightforward. Also, sales don't happen in a vacuum. They affected by seasons, holidays, and even consumer habits. For example, sales may drop during off-peak months even with high advertising. This makes it difficult for marketing teams to plan budgets and forecast future performance. So, how do we bring clarity to this chaos? That's where our solution comes in.
Our solution is to use linear regression analysis, a method that allows us to find patterns and relationships between different variables. In this case, we want to understand how advertising spend affects monthly sales. We collected 12 months of data showing how much we spent on ads and how much revenue was generated. Then we used Python to create a regression model, but we didn't stop there. We also look at the calendar factor in seasonal trends, which can greatly influence buying behavior. By combining these two elements, ad spend and seasonality, we can generate more accurate forecasts and help businesses make smarter decisions. Here you can see a scatter plot comparing ad spend to sales. Each point represents a different month. What stands out is a clear upward trend, meaning more ad spend usually result in higher sales. The blue regression line running through the middle helps us predict future sales based on spending. So if a company plans to increase their advertising budget next quarter, they can use this model to estimate the likely increases in sale. This kind of insight is very valuable because it turns vague expectation into something measurable and actionable.
This next visualization focuses on monthly trends. In other words, seasonality. Even if companies spend the same amount of ads throughout the year, sales don't follow the straight line. Look at the December. For example, sales tend to spike, probably due to the holiday rush. Meanwhile, months like February and August may see dips. Even if advertising continues, recognizing these seasonal trends help business plan more effectively. They can adjust their marketing strategies and inventory to match the rhythm of the consumer behavior throughout the year. Now let's look at the accurate our model is. This bubble charts compares predicted sales based on the regression model with the actual sales data. The closer the bubble are to noted diagonal line, to the more accurate of our prediction. As you can see, most of the bubbles are fairly close to the line, which shows that our model performs well in the capturing of the relationship between ad spends, seasonality, and sales outcome. Of course, no prediction model is perfect, but this kind of accuracy is more enough for helping businesses make informed marketing and budgeting decisions.
To summarize what we've learned, first, regression analysis is a powerful tool for predicting sales. It allows us to see how one variable, like ad spend, influences another, like revenue. Second, advertising has a measurable impact on sales, but only when it's analyzed properly. And third, seasonality plays a critical role. Ignoring the time of year can lead to misleading conclusions. By combining data science with business logic, we help companies spend smarter and plan better. This project proves that even a basic model can offer deep insights when applied carefully.
Thank you so much for your time and attention. This project was developed by our team, Marcangelo Gonzalez, Juan Paulo Palomares, Jeremy Lagdaan, Joshua Charles Banyarea, and myself, Lawrence Brian Belen. We hope this presentation gave you a clear view of how regression analysis can solve real business problem and improve sale forecasting. If you have any question or want to dive deeper into our code or process, we'd be happy to share more. Thank you once again, and we hope you enjoyed the presentation. Mabuhay.